Okay, today I'm doing a train trip. I'm in Barcelona, and I'm taking a long-distance train to Narbonne in France. Quite an adventure, and an adventure in this station getting the ticket and whatnot, but I'm ready to go, so I'll catch you on the train. The train we were just on coming from Spain is going off here in this direction, and we're getting on this B train, and I'm heading to France. It's to Narbonne, France. Ooh, quite a bit windier here. Okay, so the final leg of our journey is on this TGV train ride through the southern part of France. Mountains, olive trees, brookline crops, and even some vineyards. Au revoir.